Hey guys, new day. We left. This is just there for show. It's not working. We can pull it out whenever. You know, we can pull it out whenever. We currently have it at the specific time that it needs to be in. We pulled off the lower oil pan. And let me show you. There's the lower oil pan. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, we gotta get some bolts that are holding the timing cover, which is those two, and there's one right there, just to take off the front timing cover. And from there we'll be able to pull off everything, see what's going on with the motor finally, you know, and from there we'll carry on with this video. So we did take it off. Take off the timing cover. 2 bolts on the bottom right there. 1, 2. You can see. We have taken off the valve covers. We're gonna completely dismantle the motor. I took off the test pipes on the bottom. We took off the headers. We're gonna take off the motor mounts, right? Motor mounts. And then afterwards, actually we took off the transmission mounts too. I mean the transmission bolts. And then now we're just gonna go on from there and pull out the whole motor. Alright, so I forgot to show you what I was doing, right? I took off that transmission bolt, so the motor is not connected to the transmission anymore. And this so far, like, we have all of this off. We have a whole bunch of mess, bolts everywhere. Separated a lot of bolts from where they need to be and stuff like that. So we found out that the cams that are right here, that they're right there, by the way. Here's the cams. These right here, cams. These are the bearings for the cams. They go right here. And we found out that this one has very deep grooves. Right there too. Right there, sorry. And like slight ones right here. But this one and this one are very bad. That one, that one. And yeah, so I think that one's gonna have to be resurfaced and like remade, in other words. And then we still have to check the bottom of these heads and check the pistons to see if they're not black. Okay. Yeah. Nope. And there's a head.
Están flameadas.
I don't see any wall scratches or grooves. Okay, here's head number 2. And it's looking,
No, están bien.
I guess, okay.
¿Ese ya está? Buscar el lugar allá, pon un trapo, güey.
Not the professional way to do it, but it's gotta be done. Oh, la starter.
Saludos allá.
Yeah. Oh, está conectado todavía. Okay.
Ahorita no como videos, güey, como manos.
No es la forma profesional de hacerlo, pero no, se hizo. Un cochinero. Se hizo un cochinero.
Pinches clochazos, güey. Este va nuevo, güey. Este lo partiste toditita la madre, güey. Este se tiene que mandar a cortar. Mira, su puto también. Este ya lo habían cambiado.
Sí.
Me falta un tornillo.
Up our oil pan, out and about. And we're gonna be checking all the rods and shit. Camshaft and our camshaft and our crankshaft done at the machine shop. Looking for some parts for the G. Not sure if we can find any, but we're gonna be looking all around. We found one, but that shit was an auto and it was a normal DE, not a roll. We're trying to find one. I gotta clean this bullshit because this shit always gets like foggy. What's up? My uncle just left right now, like not even like maybe like 5 seconds ago. Okay, but he brought this, the donor VQ. I bought it off my friend Abe. Not gonna disclose the price. Me and him know the price, and we're gonna be using the cam sprockets because mine are broken. Both are good. Okay. And then any little miscellaneous things that we might need that I kind of probably messed up on mine, we're probably gonna use it from this one and then, you know, build a better motor. We're in that stage, you know, still haven't taken that shit apart, but soon, okay, soon. Right now we're in the stage of cleaning this shit because it has grease and I want to make it look a little bit cleaner because I don't want to be, you know, my hands always dirty, always dirty. So we're cleaning it with the brush, just a regular brush. And then we used the Awesome at first, and then we used the vinegar with soap. And that's so far that like it's really working. Like it's not even a joke, it's really working. And then we're just gonna use a little manguerita to pressure wash out everything out. But we agitated with the brush, as you know. And right now I'm going with the second pass. Oh shit, we're going with the second pass. So it could be double the agitation, whatever, and then rinse off with the water.